Hello everyone and welcome to This Explainer. Today, we are going to do something absolutely fascinating. We're tracing the hidden pathways of our own bodies. And to do this, we'll be stepping into the shoes of some incredibly curious Indian students. We're going to explore the interactive videos and hands-on experiments they've created to really bring biology to life. You know, it's one thing to read about life processes, but it is an entirely different experience to actually see them happen right in front of you.
Okay, let's dive into this. Think of this explainer as our very own metaphorical flight into the science of human biology. We're going to follow the exact flight path of the food we eat and the air we breathe, discovering the incredible, unseen transformations happening inside of us every single day.
Here is our tour map for today. We'll start with the fuel for life, journey down the canal, uncover the saliva sugar trick, dive into ancient Ayurvedic wisdom, explore the breath we exhale, and finally, connect it all to real-world biology.
Section 1. The fuel for life. Breaking down the complex.
Every living creature needs energy to function. Whether you're a nectar-drinking sunbird, a snake swallowing its prey, or just, a human sitting down to a delicious dinner, you are taking in complex fuel. The carbohydrates, proteins, and fats we consume are honestly far too complex for our bodies to use right off the bat. They absolutely must be broken down into simpler forms before the body can use them. And that breaking down process, that is the literal magic of digestion.
Section 2. Journey down the canal, the alimentary pathway.
Let's move to and see how this builds. Our food travels through a continuous, long tube called the alimentary canal. Imagine one of those cool drag-and-drop interactive diagrams the students made. It begins at the mouth, pushes down through the esophagus, churns into the stomach, navigates the winding small and large intestines, and finally exits through the anus. And all along this sequential journey, digestive juices are secreted to break the food down. But the journey actually starts with sheer mechanical force. I want you to imagine taking a big bite of your absolute favorite food right now. That initial action of your teeth literally crushing and chewing the food into fine pieces is called mechanical digestion. It's step 1 in making the complex simple. Section 3, the saliva sugar trick, a chemical transformation. Now, I want to pose this intriguing question directly to you, inspired by a classic classroom experiment. If you take a small bite-sized piece of chapati or some boiled rice and just keep chewing it for a full 30 to 60 seconds, it starts off tasting totally normal, but then it actually begins